Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to graph absolute value equations, linear equations, okay? So, we're going to be using this equation. We're going to be using the equation y is equal to a absolute value x minus h and then plus k, okay? Um, this equation will give you what they call a family of lines. And basically like a real family, they have a parent, and then whatever you get is going to be very similar to the parent. Okay, it's not alike or very similar. So to investigate what happens is I created this. Okay, now when you graph this is how it's going to look like. Now what happens is the a changes. Notice what happens to the graph when I change the a. It gets an error or it stretches out. Okay, does depend on the A value. Now another thing to notice about the A, if it's positive, it's above the x-axis. If you have negative values, it's below the x-axis. Okay. Now let me stop the A. Let me put it at 1. And then what happens as you change the x value? Notice as the x value changes, the graph's gonna move right or left. Okay. If h is negative, you're on the left side. If h is positive, then you'll be on the right side. Okay. Now, let me put this back to 0. Now, what happens as the k value changes? Notice if I change the k, if the k value is positive, okay, I have a mistake right here. I forgot the plus right here. That's why it's acting kind of weird. Okay, that should be plus. Okay. Now, notice as the k value changes, it's like the parabola is moving up or down. Okay. This is called translations. That's when you like pick the graph and it's moving up or down or sideways. Okay. Now, if everything changes, notice what happens. Okay. So we're gonna use this fact to make the graph over here. Now, to do the graph of this line, what I'm gonna do is first, right underneath, I'm going to write y is equal to a absolute value x minus h, and then absolute value plus k. So this is what this is telling me. Okay. This right here is the a value. Now there's nothing here, but there's a 1. A is equal to 1, and there's nothing, we said there's a 1 in there. Now the h value, this will be the h value, and you want the opposite. The opposite of plus 2 is -2. And then this with a k value, so k value will be equal to 2. Now to graph it, I'm gonna put in my x and y axis. So here it's my y axis, and here is my x axis. Now, like on this graph right here, this value right here, like for example, the h value will be about 2 point something, 2.92. So this is my h value, and my k value being about -2.3. Okay. Now, when you do the graph, I'm gonna find this value. I'm gonna do h k. So my h is -2, and my k value is 2. So remember, this is the x-axis, and this is your y-axis. This is positive x, and this is negative x in this direction. Positive above and negative below it. So -2, 2. If x is -2, go 2 to the left and 2 to the negative, and then k is positive 2. Okay, so that's the vertex. And now, the graph, it is, since there's one right here, is not going to change. You're going to go 1, 1, 1, 1, and your graph will be right about here. Now think about it as coming a ball coming here and rebounding, and then it's going to go in this direction, and that'll be your graph. Okay, so the H and the K are the this point right here, and then after that you're gonna go on 1, 1. Okay, and remember, because this is positive, it's gonna open upward, and then it's gonna go to the negative 2 and 2. Okay, now let me do a second example. Once again, right underneath the given equation, I'm gonna write y is equal to a x minus h, absolute value, and then plus k. So my a value, this is my a value. There's nothing in there, so the a value in this case would be 1. Now, the h value is this right here. Remember, don't think of this as minus or negative, think of this as the opposite. So I need the opposite. The opposite of negative 4 would be positive 4. So the h value is 4. Remember, h must be the opposite. And now I need the k value. K value is, this tells me, this is a k value. Remember, there are no, in this case, there's no minus or negative here on the k, so that means the same. So this will be negative 3. So k will be negative 3. Now remember, to do the graph, I'm gonna plot this point for negative 3. So I'm gonna put in my x-axis and my y-axis. So here's my x-axis and here is my y-axis. Now remember, this is the x-axis and these are the y-axis. Positive values are to the right, negative values are to the left. Y values will be positive to the right, negative down. Now I need a point at x4 and y negative 3. So I'm gonna go x is positive 4. Start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and y is negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now from here, I'm gonna go 1, 1, 1, 1, and then that allows you to make the graph. Remember, think of a ball coming here and bouncing and going the opposite direction. So be like before, you're gonna go 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 1. Now, draw the line and that'll be your graph, okay? So as you can see, graphing this is not difficult if you understand about the H and the K and what it gives you. And once you find the point, let's call this a vertex. So once you find the vertex, the point in the middle, go 1, 1, 1, and then go 1, 1 the opposite direction, and that'll be your graph. Okay? Thank you.